Hi, this is Amana Fridge Freezer from the UK. So right now at the port, just about to ship it down to Nigeria. It's the freezer side of it. And this is the fridge side of it. We've got the cubes, the ice cubes, the ice maker, the ice storage is right here, still intact. And right here you've got the control. You can go for the ice crushed and ice cubes, and you've got the one for the water. Quite in a very good condition. Then right here, this is the back. This is what it looks like. Still got all the labels on the bag. And there you've got the hose for the plumbing connected to the water for the ice maker. And that's the hose on the floor right there. So if you want, you can connect the hose to a filter. So the filter will filter the water before it goes into the ice maker, and the fridge makes the ice for you.